Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the GUTINNEEN 4.6 by 2.42 FT sheds and outdoor storage shed, a robust and versatile solution for all your outdoor storage needs. This shed features an all-around sturdy metal frame that provides exceptional stability and durability, ensuring it withstands various weather conditions. Its asphalt waterproof roof is cleverly designed with a tilt to prevent water accumulation and seepage, while the elevated wooden floor keeps your items dry and protected. Inside, you'll find adjustable shelves that offer flexible storage options, allowing you to organize your gardening tools and equipment just the way you like. With its high capacity, this shed is perfect for storing everything from snowblowers and outdoor chairs to bicycles and toy cars, keeping your space neat and tidy. The 4 doors can be opened separately and are equipped with locks, providing security against theft and animal intrusion. Ideal for any garden, courtyard, or patio, this storage shed is a must-have for maintaining an organized and clutter-free outdoor space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.